let's have a look round this absolute gorgeous BMW 320i Sport. Now, this has to be one of the best family saloon cars on the market today. We've got the M Sport. This has got the optional extra of the 19-inch wheels. It's in Tanzanite Blue metallic. Now, that's the new colour that's taken over from the Estoril Blue. Now, Tanzanite Blue, what a stormer of a colour. 19-inch double spoke alloy wheels. The M Sport obviously has the more aggressive front body styling. We've got the LED lights, we've got parking sensors front and rear, and a reverse camera. But every angle, there isn't any car that looks as good as that, in my opinion. We've got the high gloss black finish around the windows, privacy glass, and then this lovely twin tailpipes, very M3 like. Just let's have a look in the boot. We've got a reverse camera. It's a huge boot, just look at the size. Very, very practical as well. We've got 60-40 split rear seat, so you can drop the seats down when you get to B&Q. But just take a look at that sumptuous Dakota leather. Great, upgraded by BMW for this series. Lovely sculpted sumptuous seat, contrast white stitch. Now this one's just an over 30,000 miles, but again, fully loaded, power folding mirrors, cruise control, climate control, sat nav, everything you need in a modern car. Digital cockpit where we're all going now, so it's all lights up. But what a wonderful car. Fully serviced by ourselves before it comes to you, fully guaranteed. A real quality BMW. Could you see that on your drive this weekend? If so, give us a call. But as for now, thanks for watching the video.